Minister in charge Transport Snyob Halangdhar said the government is examining the order of Meghalaya High Court for identifying land for the new Greenfield Airport project. Speaking to reporters, he informed that the meeting was also convened by the Chief Minister last week to discuss the matter. The minister also informed that the government is also examining whether to go ahead with the expansion of the Umroi Airport. Resurvey of the old airport by third or fourth party will be conducted, and once the report is received, the government will take a call on this regard as well, he added. The Meghalaya High Court has directed the state government to identify a few pockets of land for construction of a Greenfield airport, as the Shillong airport cannot be extended to accommodate landing of bigger aircraft.
The matter is being under examined. We had a meeting this last week or so. It has been called by the Honorable Chief Minister, me, myself, CEO and official. So we will take a call on that, because High Court has said that we will see it from the government, because huge amount of money to be involved is not so easy for us. So the matter is still under examination.
What will be the estimate?
We are still identifying how I'll tell the cost.
So if you go
Decision as of now, the matter is still under examination. Whether we'll go ahead or whether we